Welcome to Stairlift Comparison, your independent guide to buying a stairlift. In this video, we're going to take a look at Stannah Stairlifts. Stannah Stairlifts are iconic in the world of mobility aids, and most people will have heard of this brand. With their comprehensive range of stairlifts, they have solutions for straight or curved stairs, and can install stairlifts both inside and outside of the home. The Stannah Stairlift is elegant, stylish, and works on both straight and curved staircases. The Stannah Stairlift is one of the most popular models in the Stannah range, and works both on straight and curved staircases again. Ideal for curved installations, the Stannah Stairlift operates on a twin rail design that follows the contour of curved staircases perfectly, designed to offer improved mobility for those with limited flexibility. The stairlift features an innovative saddle-style seat that allows you to retain a more upright posture when compared to the traditional seated stairlifts. With an overall rating of 4.5 stars, here are a few reviews which are worth taking a look at. To get a quote today, head on to stairliftcomparison.co.uk.